everyone and hi Miss. Now I am going to present my PowerPoint summative about racism. The title is The Racism Incident of Papuan Student in Surabaya was called Monkey. First, I will explain about the definition of racism and example of racism that happened in real life. Racism is a condition where people who have different skin color will insult each other and even kill each other because of their intolerance as fellow human. Those who have different races will insult each other without thinking about their feeling. Example of problem of racism that occur in Indonesia is Papuan students who are surrounded in Papuan student dormitory in Surabaya. They were spelled out with harsh, dirty words and shouted monkey. This incident happened on the night of August 16 in East Java. Well, now I will tell about history of the rise of racism. The problem of racism has a long history. The construction of history of racism cannot be separated from the white supremacy event, which is the cause of creation of racism. In the mid-15th century, when the Portuguese began to take African people into slavery outside the region, was the beginning of the process of the enslavement of millions of African people in America and Europe. Still about the rise of the racism. At the same time, there was oppression against the Irish people as the key to the development of racism in England. It also had an impact on the African people and Indian. Racism against Indian began during the King Philip's War, a war between British immigrants and Indian tribes. In its development in America, many members of the revolutionary generation want slavery to be ended because it is against freedom and creates oppression of the African people. The development of the history of racism after that is still happening throughout the world, and until now, this problem is still continuous and occurs in the world. Now, I am going to tell about problem that occur during racism in the problem that I discussed about. In this problem, there are 12 participants being seriously injured and dozens of others slightly injured. There are also 30 students who are members of the Papuan Student Alliance or AMP were involved in throwing stones and chasing with residents and officials on Jalan Basuki Rahmat. In this problem, it causes Papuans to close themselves off and even isolated themselves from other areas. Now, why can there be a problem of racism? The problem of racism exists because there are various racial differences, such as different skin color, different hairstyle, and other physical differences. There are also factors that influence the occur of racism, among others, tendency to hang out with people from the same group, tendency to judge someone quickly, and the other factors. Indonesia is divided because of this problem. Now I will tell about racism that experienced by Maniac and historical event that occurred in Indonesia. In the novel, Maniac experienced racism when he was called to IT and he was being bullied. With words like that, sometimes people do not realize that they have committed racism and accidentally destroy people's mentality. I have one example of problem that happened in real life are Papuan students being called monkey because of their different skin color. There was no problem between them, but since the existence of racism, people's life has become divided. This problem has existed for a long time and until now this problem still exists. Even recently, there has also been a racism in America. I will tell about causes, effect, and solution about racism. Racism can occur due to racial differences between fellow humans. The effect of racism can affect those who are black and they can become traumatized. The solution is, we as human beings do not differentiate between humans of different races and do not treat those who are different from us unfairly. The conclusion about this problem is, we as fellow humans should not differentiate between races because it can cause humans to kill each other and can cause trauma. If we want to stop racist people, we can form a community to discuss positive things about racism. We can also hold a meeting with those who like to commit racism. I have one reflection about this topic is, we as fellow humans must respect and appreciate each other without discriminating their differences. So, that's all the presentation about racism in my opinion. Hopefully, it can be useful for us. Thank you.